kay Christina. Si Christina, 7-year-old girl, grabe yung confidence niya, yung lakas ng loob niya na every time na tumutungtong sa stage. Gusto ko rin na yung confidence niya na ibibigay niya sa mga tao, kumbaga nakakahawa, and she's able to hype up the crowd. Yun yung energy na naibibigay ni Christina. Sabi nga ni Coach Billy, she's a pop star already. And ako, with all my heart, naniniwala ako dun. So, Christina, napakahusay mo. Good luck sa mga future performances mo pa. Siguro, yung pinakamalaking development ni Christina for me is yung right now, she's able to take her time. Yun. Before kasi, nung blind editions, parang hindi pa siya completely aware kung paano niya gagamitin yung instrument niya, yung voice niya. Pero right now, if there's a need to slow down, she's able to do that. If there's a need for a big sound, she's able to do that. So, yun yung nakita kong malaking improvement ni Christina sa show na to.